Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. So far, gold has acted bullish with the support at 1783.84. That is the support zone we have maintained since yesterday. And yes, it is precisely achieved 1795 and at the same time US 100 and US 30 both trading bearish as of now. Now what is going to happen with the US cash session, which position we should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and yes, do press the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with the latest analysis. This is the hourly chart for gold. You can see it was trading outside the Bollinger Bands. You can see it is trying to retrace the support there at 1790 is there. Below 1790, yes, you can go short, but remember it may give you only $3 to $4. It can get a support at 1787 and then at 1784. Only once it breaks below 1784 you can expect that we may see a further bearishness, and then I look forward to 1775. But whether this is going to happen, look at this. See, it has formed a double top here. It has formed the double top. It is done with the rise there. Possibly only long entry is beyond 1795. That is very clear. Till the time it trades below 1795, I will expect it to drop. And if you look at the directional movement, it is bullish. Stochastic is converging and looking forward to a drop. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similarly, see, look at the previous candle. The previous candle was a candle of indecision and it opened above, now trying to trade with a drop. Possibly once it trades above 1992, yes, you can again expect it to achieve 95, and then this time, see, 95 is a wall, standing like a wall. It has formed this top here, and this time if it trades above 95, you can expect that it may try to in fact achieve $1,800, which is a very strong resistance zone. So as I said in my morning analysis, 1798, 1803 could be achieved. Now right now it is looking forward to a drop here. How far it can go up? It can come back till towards 1788, very strong support, and then 1786 levels. Only below 1786 we can see that it may act little bit bearish, and then 1784 will come into picture. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD is green and it is bullish. RSI is also curving downwards right now. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, after this rise it is trying to drop. The support there at 1788 is strong, then 1786 is strong. Only if it drops below 1786 and 1788 you can expect a drop. But yes, you can take a short entry at 1790, expect it to drop till towards 1788-86, and once it drops below 1784 it is going to crash further. Then we can look forward to 1775 levels. Only long entry is beyond 1795. That is also very clear. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is looking upwards, MACD is in green and it is divergent, RSI is near to top, indicating all indicators that are right now bullish. If you look at the 4-hour charts, see the flat bottom there at 1784. With that it has seen a rise, see higher highs, but yes, it has formed a double top there, and after such a retracement possibly a drop can be expected, and this time if it drops, the drop is going to be sharper enough, and a breakout beyond 1795 will definitely be a stronger bullish indication. Right now I'll be looking forward for it to achieve again 1784-83, and then below that it may crash. Yes, with the stop loss at 1795 you can stay short, but be cautious of 1795. It is still very much bullish, and those who want to take a safe entry should only go short below 1784 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is near to top, looking downwards. MACD has crossed over and it is still bullish on the 4-hour chart. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts, it is still indecisive. Yes, it has formed a double top. It may try to come back again on the down. Below 1780, yes, you can expect a drop, and then possibly it may try to in fact swing between 1782-83 to 1795. Only short entry possibly it appears, that is 1775 and 1770. Once it drops below 1770 it is going to crash. So yes, you can take a short entry here. With the stop loss at 1795 you can remain short, but be cautious till 1786, 1784. Only if it drops below 1784 you can remain short. Then we can expect it to drop further till towards 1775, and below that you can expect 1770 and further lower levels. Then it may crash and we can look forward to a drop from there. So, and a long entry beyond 1795 can be taken. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is bullish. RSI is also at the top. So, a long entry at 1795 can be taken. Then one can look forward to 1798 and 1803 levels, and beyond that 1808 should be achieved. Yes, if you are short at 1790 and it gets closed at 1795, so yes, rather you should put the stop loss at 1792, 93 itself, only couple of dollars, and you can remain short. That is my expectation, but be cautious. If it trades above 1795, definitely one has to go long, and then it can rise a bit strongly on the upside. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, I look forward to a break, and as it has formed a double top, and till the time it trades below 1795, I'll be bearish on it, and I'll expect it to come back till towards 1775, 70, and then below that we may see a good drop. So take your positions accordingly, and good safer entry is only below 1784, 83 levels. Beyond that it may drop. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Tech 100 on the hourly chart has traded outside the Bollinger Bands, trying to pull back again on the upside. See, we have seen 3 red candles. Now it may retrace a bit. Now remember, 13200 is the resistance level for the day. Only long entries beyond 13200 till the time it trades below 13200. You can short every rise. That is also very much possible that it can rise and retrace till towards 13150, 200, and then beyond that, beyond 13200, do not keep anything short there. Beyond that it may fly high. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD white divergent bearish. RSI near to bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see, it has taken a shape there. It has taken a drop here after a little consolidation. First red candle, second red candle, it is still trying to form the shape, and it is still at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Maybe precisely it may give you a shorter candle, and then a reversal may appear. Then you need to look out for 13150, 180, 200 levels. It can rise till there, and if it trades above 13200, possibly a reversal can be expected. And till the time it trades below 13200, we can expect that it may break 13000 levels also. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD is white divergent bearish. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similarly you will find that it is looking forward to a drop. This is, see, it has come out of this. This is a breakout candle, and after this it is trying to drop. Even if it tries to rise, see, even if it tries to rise, any good entry for a short again is going to be 13150, 180 zone. And in fact, yes, if it trades above 13200, go long. Else till the time it trades below 13200, every rise is possibly you can take a short entry again, but rather be cautious there, as yes, till the time it trades below 13200, possibly it can drop, but it should not be that it is just rising and we take a short entry at 13150, 180. Don't do that. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. Again, MACD is bearish, and RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, it is trading near to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. I also look at these 4 candles consistently lower highs. Also previous 3 candles higher lows, and this time it gave a breakout. So this is the first breakout candle, and probably we may see a second breakout candle, though it can rise a bit till towards, how far it can rise, it can come back till towards 13180, 200 levels. That is the resistance level. Possibly from those levels it can retrace again on the downside. That is my expectation. Any move beyond 13200 should be a good indication to stay long. Directional movement is crossed over for bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see here, see on the daily charts, it is opened above, it is seen lower lows, and the pivot is now at 13200. With the pivot at 13200, see, it has seen lower lows. Now it may try to attempt and achieve the highs. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 13200, go long there, and possibly one can remain long above. Else till the time it trades below 13200, possibly we may see it breaking 13000 levels today. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge crossover. After a long time it may converge crossover and put forward to a sell entry there. RSI is looking downwards too, indicating little bearishness there. So probability exists that it may continue to trade, but now be watchful of 13050. If it drops below 13050, go short and expect 12950, 12900. In fact, it can drop. See, 12900 is the next strongest support here. We can see it sliding strongly till there. If it continues to drop below 13,000, the next target is 12900 levels. So yes, you can go short at 13050, and below that you can expect it to drop continuously till towards 12950, 12900, and in fact 12800 can be expected. On the upside, be cautious of 13200. Any rise close to 13180, 150 levels is a good entry to go short, and there you can remain short with the stop loss at 13200. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge. We have already seen. So considering this, go short at 13050. Go long only above 13200. In between these 150 points, every rise is good to sell, but only try to short. Yes, if you see it around 13150, 180 levels, only try to short there. I think that will be a good and safe entry where you will be risking only 30 to 50 points. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, US 30, I have always told 32,750 is the first support. 32,700, be cautious of 32,700. If you see it trading below 32,700, it is going to crash heavily, and then you can expect 32,500 and below levels. Right now, if you look at the hourly charts, lower highs are seen, and you can find the resistance there at 32,950. As I told you earlier in the day today, 32,920 you should watch out for. Precisely, it is the same level which you should watch out again. So yes, I will recommend you to take a long entry only if you see it trading above 32,920. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD wide divergent bearish, RSI near to bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly on the 2-hour chart, see, on the 2-hour chart, it is giving you a breakout after consolidating, and this time possibly we may see a stronger drop. 32,700 can be seen, and then 32,500 levels can be seen today itself. Be cautious. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is wide divergent bearish. See how beautifully it is divergent, indicating extreme bearishness there. RSI looking downwards. Sometime I call this waterfall phenomena, where you can see it just diverging so extremely that brings automatically the bearishness there. But look at the 3-hour chart, it is formed a bottom out there, and yes, you should be watchful of 32,750. And as I say yesterday also, as I said today again, 32,750 is the level below which you can go short, but be cautious of 32,700. Below 32,700 you can definitely remain bearish. On the upside, be watchful of 32,920 levels. Directional movement has given a bearish crossover. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is wide divergent and bearish. It is indicating more bearishness. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts you will find, see, after a consolidation, lower highs, higher lows, it is given a breakout candle. This is the first red candle, this is the second red candle, and it is already forming a shape below 32,750. We can expect further more bearishness, and this time we can expect it to hit 32,600 to 32,500 levels. 32,500, remember, very strong support. Below that it is going to crash. Directional movement is giving it a bearish crossover. Stochastic is near to bottom. MACD is wide divergent and bearish here, and RSI looking downwards, indicating little bearishness there. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, how far this can come. It can come till towards 32,700. This is the first support, and only if it breaks below 32,700 you can expect that it is reversed. And then see why 32,700 is important and why 32,600 is important. 32,700, then 32,600 levels will come. This is going to be the next important support, and then below that you can expect it to crash for 32,500, 400, and downside it is open. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable yet looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover on the daily charts. Possibly a strong crash today will make them crossover. That is what it is looking forward to, and then it will resume the bearish trend. RSI is looking downward. So considering this, only long entry I'll recommend is beyond 32,920 levels. Beyond 32,920 you can stay long until the time it trades below 32,920, and in fact if it draws below 32,750, go short there. 32,700 is the next target, and below that you can expect it to drop till towards 32,600, 32,500, 32,400 is the ultimate support. Below that it will crash for 32,200 and 32,000 levels. Anything is possible. These are markets. With the stop loss at 32,920 you can remain short. That is also one possibility to look at. So if you see it rising till towards 850, 860, 870 levels, you can go short there, but just keeping a risk of 50 points. Do not short intermediate if it is taking a run and you are just entering a short at the stated levels, that is 850, 880 levels. obviously you will be trapped because it will just touch the stop loss at 32,920 and reverse again. So you have to be cautious. Only once it achieves the highs and tries to reverse, that time you should take a short entry. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.